Hi everyone, today I will show you how to fix YouTube search history not showing problem. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. Our first solution is to update YouTube. We go to Play Store to check YouTube's update, and we write YouTube in the search section. If an update text appears here after selecting YouTube, it means YouTube is not up to date. Click on Update and wait for the update to finish. If it says Open instead of Update, it means YouTube is up to date. After the YouTube update is finished, I open YouTube. As you can see here, the search history works. Watch history works too. If this solution does not work, we will move on to the next solution. For the second solution, we enter the YouTube application. Click on Profile in the top right. Click on Settings. Click on History and Privacy. We click on Pause Watch History and click on Pause. Then we click Pause Search History and click Pause. After doing these, we close the application completely. We reopen the application and click on Profile. Click on Settings and then History and Privacy. Here we turn off the features that we have just turned on. In this way, if these two features are bugged, we have solved it. This was the second solution. The third solution is to log out of our account and log back in. But YouTube does not allow us to log out of the account. That's why we go into Settings. We find Apps. Click on Manage Apps. We find YouTube among our applications. We click on Clear Data and then we click on Clear All Data and click OK. We enter the YouTube app. As you can see, it's asking us to choose an account here because we logged out of the account. We do not select accounts here. We restart our phone once before selecting an account. I can't start it now because I'm recording. After restarting once, you can enter the application and select the account and continue using it. If the problem is not solved after doing these three solutions, the error is not caused by you, it is caused by YouTube. You can wait for YouTube to resolve the error or you can download YouTube Go. YouTube Go has its own search history. To download YouTube Go, we open the Play Store and write YouTube Go in the search section. If it does not appear in the search section, we click on YouTube. Click on the similar app text under YouTube, and click on Install to install YouTube Go. After clicking on the application, it wants to redirect us to the main application. After a few seconds, the cross will appear above. Click on this cross. Here we select an email account. We click Next and we click Allow. Yes, the app is open. Click on the profile in the upper right to go to the search history. We find the Manage History, and click on Manage All Activity. Here you can find all your search and watch history. And this was our fourth and final solution. We have come to the end of the video. I hope these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.